is a severe weather alert.
Today is a big day in weather across the country. We had some severe thunderstorms overnight through the centre of the country, but right now we have a tropical cyclone sitting off the Queensland coast. So in the Coral Sea, we have tropical cyclone Owen currently sitting there. Thankfully, it's no threat to the country, but we still have heatwave conditions continuing in Queensland, over 100 fires burning, and a severe weather warning for damaging winds in Tasmania as a cold front is starting to surge up across the state. But first of all, in Queensland, to the fires, where we currently have more than 100 fires burning across the state. A dangerous situation after thousands of people have had to be evacuated at times over the past week. We still have quite a few dangerous fires. In fact, we have a couple of watch and acts in place as well, and so we'll be keeping an eye on that. But yesterday, the heat was still on in Queensland. We were seeing temperatures reaching into the mid-30s and even 39 degrees in Rockhampton for the coastal areas, but inland in Queensland, temperatures were rising into the 40s with dangerous fire weather. Today, the focus is once again through central and tropical parts of the state, with very hot temperatures on the way through that region and also dangerous fire weather. Look at this, very high fire danger shaded in yellow right through the entirety of the east of Queensland except for the peninsula, and also for far northern inland New South Wales we also have that very high fire danger as well. So thankfully it's not severe or extreme, but it's still a dangerous fire setup, and so we'll have to be keeping a very close eye on the fires today. So if there are fires near you, you should be aware of where they are and what threat they pose. Now, off the coast of Queensland, we also have a tropical cyclone. This is Tropical Cyclone Owen, which is currently a Category 1 system, likely to become Category 2, but as you can see from the track map, it is unlikely to get anywhere near the coastline, and so its rainfall will stay out to sea, but the moisture from this system will start to feed across Queensland. We'll start to see rain developing and showers and thunderstorms over coming days, starting really from tomorrow as that low pressure trough starts to edge further north, bringing the cooler weather with it. Now, in New South Wales, we had some dust storms rolling around yesterday with the gusty winds, and it was pretty dusty in Goulburn with visibility dropping through that region. It also impacted Orange, where I was yesterday afternoon. I saw a fair bit of dust rolling on through there, but you can see in Tasmania, that's where the focus of the windy weather is today. We've got showers starting to move on through. In fact, starting to see some areas of rain. The wind's starting to pick up as well. Now let's have a look at some of those wind gusts we've seen so far. 106 kilometres per hour at Mount Wellington. Much of the rest of the state, we haven't seen the wild winds yet, but they are on the way, particularly through western and central areas. As you can see on this chart, anywhere shaded in yellow is a threat to see winds gusting up above 90 kilometres per hour, with winds likely to reach 100 kilometres per hour in some spots. Notice the warning also extends to the far north coast and also the Bass Strait Islands and also the southeastern islands, but not including Hobart, which should be seeing winds gusting below 90 kilometres per hour today because the winds are coming in from the west and then the southwest as the front comes on through during the middle of the day. So morning and afternoon is when we're worried about these damaging winds. But in terms of the temperatures across the country at the moment, it's pretty warm up in the north, as it has been for a very long time, especially through Queensland. It's already 30 degrees in Longreach. Brisbane, it's not going to be as hot today, but still a warm day on the cards, 26.5 degrees at the moment. And it is cooler across southeastern Australia, particularly through Tasmania, where there is a fair bit of wind chill.
Yeah, just looking at those wind speeds in Tasmania, Riley equals 69 and Prophecy is 106.